In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy data in Google Sheets automatically. This can be extremely useful if you're looking to streamline your data entry tasks or manage multiple datasets more efficiently. We'll walk through this process step by step together, so let's get started. First, you're going to want to open your web browser and navigate to your Google Sheets. For this demonstration, I'll be using an expense tracker Google Sheet as our example. Now, once you're inside your Google Sheet, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Notice the different sheets available and identify the areas where you'll be focusing your automation efforts. Next, you will need to locate and click on a function or option within Google Sheets that is highlighted. This usually involves finding the appropriate cell or range of cells that you intend to copy data from. It's important to make sure you're clicking on the right cell to avoid copying incorrect or unintended data. Once you've selected the data you want to automate, it's time to proceed with the next step. Now, this might seem a bit repetitive, but the process involves some necessary confirmation clicks. You'll find a button or option that asks you to confirm your selection by clicking on OK. This is Google's way of ensuring you've selected the intended cells to proceed with automation. Remember to double check this before clicking, as it reinforces selection accuracy. Let's move forward by locating the corresponding cells or sections you'd like your data to be copied to. It's not unusual for your tasks to require re-highlighting at various points. Make sure you're systematic in how you organize or label your Google Sheet so you know precisely where everything is and where it needs to go. During this process, you might be prompted to type data into specific cells. This step is integral for completing the cycle of data automation, ensuring the right inputs are in place for copying. Engage the type-in function when prompted, which can refine the data's accuracy in your automated flow. As you progress through the sheet, be on the lookout for any specific prompts or instructions to click or type as needed. This ongoing interaction helps perpetuate the automated data copying logic, ensuring that each step progresses correctly. Eventually, as you continue these actions, you will likely reach a point where you successfully observe the automatic copying of data. Congratulations, this indicates that your setups are in place, working perfectly to automate the data transfer in processes in your Google Sheets. Finally, remember that some adjustments may be needed based on your personal data structures and specific requirements. Feel free to pause and reevaluate as necessary. Automation can potentially increase efficiency tremendously when used correctly, so it's worthwhile to spend time getting used to it. That's it for today's video. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful in automating your data copying tasks in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.